I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to deposit money on Affirm, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once you're in the app, find and tap on the Payments section. This is where you can manage your deposits and payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the Payments section, look for the Add Funds option and select it. This will allow you to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Step 4. Choose your payment method. You will be prompted to select a payment method for your deposit. Choose from options like bank transfer or debit card. Make sure you have the necessary details ready. Step 5. Confirm your deposit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Affirm link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Sometimes, it can take a few minutes for the deposit to reflect in your account, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. I hope this guide helps you deposit money on Affirm with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.